Workflow at a standstill because of the Ipdesign Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized application logic conflict for good. Get the professional Ipdesign library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Ipdesign library, a specialized IP design and networking module. Frequently associated with EDA, electronic design automation, or network simulation software, it manages the unmanaged logic for calculating IP addressing schemes and subnet masks. It facilitates the data link between network architectural manifests and physical hardware deployment configurations. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Errors involving Ipdesign Library DLL typically indicate that the localized application logic files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ipdesign library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Installing an unverified version of Ipdesign Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Ipdesign library optimization concepts. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Ipdesign Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.